tubig. Ate Kay.
Okay.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. Next is, it's Papa John's. Give to Papa John's in the bedroom. Go to Papa John's. Papa John's. No, give to Papa John's. Papa John's, Merry Christmas. Give to Papa John's. Give the gift. Yeah. Okay. Kuya Toby. Merry Christmas, Kuya Toby. Next. Ay, it's for you. Merry Christmas, Rex. Later na. And Dad. Oh, those are gifts for you, Max. Oh. Ay, yung pakit here na lang sa later na lang. Oh. This one to Ninang. Merry Christmas. This one. Kuya Sean. Merry Christmas, Kuya Sean. Yay! Hug, Kuya Sean. Yee! And then this one. Kuya Jojo and the Ivy. Give to Ate Shin. That's for her mom and dad. Kuya Sok and Timalo, Merry Christmas. Dito.
Doon, si Malo. Hey, binas kami. Bibibse. Ano, dali siya. Dali.
Oh, dito papasokan ni. Oh, it's so hard, man. This one. Oh, Max, oh. Ah, Papa Jess and Mama Zell. Papa Jess and Mama Zell. Oh, no. Yan, kalendaryo na. Kasi ka na kalendaryo. Oh, open. Open your gift, Max. Ano yan, Max? Hindi, mama to doon. Ipasok. Papasok ka natin, mama to.
Nag-waiting day siya. Iyo na buwa.
Papasok ka. Sino day? Kay Ivy. Dito. Ayaw, give to Ate Shane. And then this one. Ate Shane from... I don't know, from Granny? This one, Adikan. Oh, this one. To Max from Mimi. Hey, this is for you. From Mimi. You say thank you to Mimi. One, two. Oh, papasok from Granny.
From Granny.
Sean from Granny.
Roll on.
And then, Kuya Kobe from Granny.
Roll on.
Oh, for me. This is for me. Thank you. Salamat, me.
Naman your churches at hindi ba nga napagpakulo.
Oh, Timalo from me, Granny. Oh, murag tuha lagi na. Timalo na, tanabasa daw. Oh, you get a Kelly for Mimi. from Granny. This one from... Put your gift here, oh, with the other gift. And then this one for Ate Shane from Lola Juliet. Granny. Oh, Kuya Jessie from Granny. Nice, Baby Max from Granny Max. Baby Max from Mommy Ivy. Uy, wala ako namin nag-distribute eh. Dito. That's from Mama Ivy. Say thank you to Ate Shane. And then, oh, Teresa. Oh, dako ay lagi na yung regalo. Wala naman. Sige na, open na ta. Ka-Ethel na rin. Ay, Kuya Jojo.
Ay, napaday ko rin.
Mami. Jojo, inyo niya tayo. Bigyan ka, Max.
Bago kayo ulo. Gamit ang ulo.
Okay, open it.
Limaw ko ilo.
Ay, uy. Oh, from Tuninang from from
Ako,
Granny.
di ko mo gamit. Ay, kung ako ang...
Ito, oh.
Sa mga kids. Kuya Sean.
Ay, isa na ako.
Toby.
iPhone.
Wow.
Max.
Karapong.
Wow. Uy, nga wala taga-electric fan.
Kuya Shane.
Okay, open the gift now.
Open the gift. Ang gusto din. Pag gusto sa gift. Ang pagbuan. Ano man na? Nag-video ka sa akin? Wow, si Shalay ang bag. Grabe. Pagkasal man ni Mami.
Wow.
Nice.
This is from...
Wala ka ni kuha mo. Wala ikaw.
Kaya open naman sa one. That's from Mimi. Open.
Aning ka? Chocolate. Chocolate. Set.
What's that? Wow! Is that from Mimi? Wow! Use it. Thank you to Mimi. Oh, sige, this one from Mama Ivy. Open.
Yung tumbler ni Sean ba? Ako ibabuhat. Bagay-bagay. Uy, nani ba? Nine, Kobe. Oh, nice lagi.
Wow! Wow, you're funny from Mama Ivy. Okay, we'll put them here. And then this one. Wow, this is from Mama Ivy. Wow, thank you.
Wala naman si Josh ni.
And then this one. Oh, this one. Oh, from?
Gani, wala naman. Okay. Set na ni.
1.5 akong kwarta ron.
Oh, yes. Listen na lang ni Josh ni. Ang Gucci. Ganat siya 1.5. Nahan ko ba salad mo?
Wow. Wow.
Ay, your mommy and daddy. Tanawa. Upo ka na. Ang Max day ba?
Merry Christmas.
Asi ako rin sa chin-chin mo. Sila sila chin.
Oh. Pila 1.5?